Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft OneNote for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 15, change to view only. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be works with a business. We can start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to the bottom and click on Explore all the applications. Now go to OneNote. Click on Computer Science Videos Notes. Now what we can do is go to the top navigation menu where it says Editing. Click on Viewing. This allows us to view the file but make no changes. If I were to click on an image, try resize the image, it will not allow me to resize the image. Let's click on the Computer Science Videos drawing that we used to draw with a marker. I cannot edit this, resize, move around. I cannot do anything to the table, insert any more text. Edit the link. If I change this back to editing, now I can click on, let's say, the letter C that I drew with a marker, move this around if I wish to, Control Z to revert back to the original. And so that's how you change from editing to viewing. Why would you want to do this? Let's just say you are presenting and you know you'll be moving the mouse around a few times, the cursor around, and you wish to not move everything on screen, and so you might change to viewing, or when it comes to sharing with someone, only allow them to view the file, not allow them to make any changes. So let's change this back to editing. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.